Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a fundamental concept in the tech world: APIs. Whether you're a developer, a tech enthusiast, or just someone curious about how apps and services communicate, understanding APIs is essential. So, what exactly is an API? Let's break it down. API stands for Application Programming Interface. In simple terms, an API is like a messenger that takes requests, tells a system what you want to do, and then returns the response back to you. Think of it as a bridge that allows two applications to talk to each other. Let's imagine you're at a restaurant. The menu represents the API. You, the customer, make a request by ordering food, which is like calling an API. The waiter takes your order to the kitchen, the system, where the food is prepared, and then the waiter brings it back to you. You don't need to know how the food was made, just like you don't need to understand the complex processes behind an API. You just receive the result. APIs are everywhere. When you check the weather on your phone, it's an API that fetches data from a server and displays it to you. When you log into a website using your Google account, an API handles that authentication process. APIs enable different software applications to interact smoothly, regardless of how they're built or where they're hosted. Now, there are different types of APIs. The most common ones are REST APIs and SOAP APIs. REST APIs are more modern and are used widely on the web, providing a lightweight way to interact with services using standard HTTP requests. SOAP APIs, on the other hand, are older and more rigid, but offer higher security features which are essential for certain industries like banking. So why are APIs important? They enable innovation by allowing developers to build on existing technologies rather than starting from scratch. APIs let apps and services integrate and work together, creating seamless experiences for users. They also open up new possibilities for automation, data sharing, and connecting diverse systems. For instance, think about social media sharing buttons. When you share an article from a news site to Facebook or Twitter, that's done through an API. The website uses Facebook's API to send the article link and some metadata to your Facebook account, where it appears as a post. This seamless interaction is all thanks to APIs. So there you have it, a quick overview of APIs, what they are, and why they're so crucial in today's tech-driven world. Whether you're aware of it or not, APIs are behind much of what makes the modern web and mobile experiences work. If you found this explanation helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech insights, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.